This is me, Nicole, the cat, and today we will be playing on single player. So, don't mind all those worlds, making our own now. What should we call this world? Probably spelled that wrong, but okay. So we got it on survival, of course. Yeah, default mode, bonus chest. Let's put that on. Loud cheats off. Yes. No game mode, so I cannot cheat. So let's get on with it. My A's. We'll try like crazy worlds after though. Come on, hurry. Okay, this is kinda like always when I play Minecraft. If you do want to play Minecraft, it's like, I don't know, £17. Which corner? Put it in this corner. And yeah, you might be thinking like, that's a lot of money. Yeah, it is, to be honest, but it's a fun game. And as well, when you get it and you haven't played on Minecraft before on PC, it is really hard to get used to the controls, but you get used to them after. Take all these torches. Let's start, well, not start getting some trees, we need somewhere to, like a flat surface or something, to make a home with a pond. Not a desert or just a beach, not a beach. But it would be useful with sand to make some stuff. Let's get on top of these trees if we can, yep. Oh, I'm so sorry. But I'm gonna have to kill these sheep so I can just get the wool. Thank you. I'm not gonna kill that one, I'll kill this one. Why is this so powerful? Because I don't think it works with different colours. There we go. And let's pick up some flowers on our way to make a different coloured bed so it's not just like white. Why did I just try to jump up 2 blocks? And there we go. Perfect place around here. Some lava if I need to make some lava stuff, loads of sheep, loads of flowers, next to loads of water. It's a perfect place. Now let's just try and get down safely and get over there. Yeah, yes, made it. Well, that's not good. Over there. And and there is sugarcane. I'm just gonna pick it up like this and leave it to what's it called? Grow there. I will make like a garden and some stuff like to plant. But for now, let's just carry on. What type of bed should we make? I'm gonna make an orange bed, so let's get this and this. Some more flowers just in case. That doesn't look good over there, and look, this cave. Perfect. Let's go down this cave quickly, see if there's any, like, no, no, not ready, not ready, not ready. Nope, nope. Maria skeleton. There it is. Come on, skeleton. Yeah, this way, skeleton. You see me. Come on. Come on, up this way, yes. This way. You coming? Or not? I'll leave him. I'll go and get him after when I actually have some stuff to kill him with. And we're next to a swamp, good for slimes. This is a really good place. And some gravel, that's good. Let's just pick the perfect place. I think here would be nice. There's a little bit of a pond. Has quite a nice view, you know, stuff like that. No, that's not stuff to be worrying about, but there's a lot of sheep around here and a lot of trees, so that will be useful. But for now, I'm just going to cut down these trees because, again, this is where I will be making my home, and I don't want to be living inside trees. So let's just cut these trees down and leave the leaves, and they will disappear soon. Hopefully give me some more apples in case I want a chance of gold apples or just golden apples. And like to breed horses or something like that. I should probably make a crafting table and go and get some stone since this isn't exactly working, and I forgot you have. Let me just do this first. There we go. Put you there, put you there. There we go. So, what do I want to make? Nothing yet, but I'll see. And plus they do drop saplings, what's good. So let's just do this. I will open this bit up a little bit more. But for now, let's just do this. Make it quite a small house for now, because all we need to do is really fit a bed and a chest in it, and plus we need it just for the night, and then we'll update it after. I know I haven't made a door, but I'll make one soon. I'm thinking of expanding this a little bit more, up to there, and then make a little bridge over there, and have my house around going like that, something like that, maybe. And that is my house for now. I probably need one of those up there. Let's just do this, that, and that. Now, I'm going to get this crafting table and put it in my house. And then I will make some dye. The dye will all a different colour, and then make a new bed. Oh, and as well I kind of need bed. A door, here we go, get some doors. Dye, there we go. Some more dye. Some more dye, and then put those two together and you get yourself orange. I'll put that in there with these three, make some orange dye, orange wool, and then make a beautiful bed. Perfect. A lovely bed. Can I reach that from here? No. If I put this under here, can I still open it? Yes. Over here, let's just dig out some of this. Get some stone. And look here. Right under my house is some coal to make some more torches. That's some good luck right there. Okay, right. There we go. Build back up here. Really? There we go, now it's getting dark. And I'm lost quite a lot of hunger. And I don't have any strings for thingy. I need more stone. And quite more stone. Take all this. Maybe I'll keep this under here for like, I don't know, safety house or something. I don't know. Not the best houses, but it will do. And great. Dying. Great. And I'm dead. Now I have to find my way home. And I don't have a clue which way I went. That's not good. I feel like I went this way. Nope, because there's a desert over there. Means I did not go this way. Yeah, I don't think I went this way. I think I may have went that way. Right. It should be like a bit bigger, I think. Yeah. This was a great first episode. No, losing stuff. I remember coming across this way. I went over this way. I didn't go over this, but I did go this way. Here. Yes, I went this way. Over here. Here. I thought I did go this way. Was it that? I'm not exactly sure, and hurt quite a lot. This is not good. Any stuff over this way? Nope. I think it was that way, just over the trees, you know.